wonderful English learners. Welcome back to Beyond Words. I am Jessica, your English friend, and I am so excited to be with you today for our podcast.
Hello, friends. Welcome back to Beyond Words. I am Jessica. Last week, we ate delicious food at a restaurant. I hope you are full because today we need energy. Today, we are going shopping. Why do we learn about shopping? Imagine this. You are in London. You see a beautiful jacket. You buy it, but when you go home, oh no, it is too small. It is tight. You cannot breathe. Or imagine the jacket was very expensive, but you didn't know how to ask for a discount. You lost money. Sad, right? Today, I will teach you how to find the perfect size, how to ask for a different color, and how to save money. Are you ready to spend some money? Let's go to the mall. Okay, step 1. You walk into a clothing store. Clothes are everywhere. It is beautiful. Usually, a shop assistant will walk to you immediately. They want to help. They will say, "Can I help you?" Or, "Are you finding everything okay?" Now, listen carefully. Scenario A. You are just looking. You don't want to buy yet. You just want to see. You must say this magic phrase. It is polite but firm. I'm just looking, thank you. Browsing or looking. Let's practice. The shop assistant is here. Can I help you? You say, I'm just looking, thank you. Go. Perfect. Now they will leave you alone. Scenario B, you want something specific. Maybe you need a t-shirt or jeans or a dress. You say, I am looking for, repeat, I am looking for a white t-shirt. I am looking for blue jeans. Your turn. Tell me you are looking for a jacket. I am looking for a jacket. Very good. Now, you found the jacket, but is it the right size? In English, sizes are usually letters. S is small, M is medium, L is large, XL is extra large. You hold the jacket. It looks too small. You need a medium. You need to ask the assistant, do you have this in medium? Structure. Do you have this in size? Let's try. You want a large size. Ask me. Do you have this in large? Excellent. What about color? You hold a black shirt, but you hate black. You want blue. Do you have this in blue? Simple, right? Do you have this in color? Try it. Ask for red. Do you have this in red? You are getting very good at this. Okay, you have the red shirt. You have the right size, but does it fit your body? You must try it on. You cannot just buy it. You need to go to the fitting room, sometimes called the changing room. This is the small room with a mirror and a curtain. Ask the assistant, can I try this on? Try on. T-R-Y-O-N. It means to wear it for a test. Can I try this on? And then ask, where is the fitting room? Let's practice the full conversation. Can I try this on? Where is the fitting room? Go. Okay, you are in the fitting room. You put on the shirt, look in the mirror. Oh no, there is a problem. Problem 1, it is too tight. Tight. T-I-G-H-T. It means it squeezes you. You cannot move, like a snake hugging you. Problem 2, it is too loose. Loose. L-O-O-S-E. It is too big. It hangs like a bag. Problem 3, it is too short or too long. You need to ask for help. You open the curtain. You call the assistant. Excuse me, it is too tight. Do you have a bigger size? Or, It is too loose. Do you have a smaller size? Let's practice too tight. It is uncomfortable. It is too tight. Do you have a bigger size? Go. Okay, she brings you a new one. You put it on. Wow, it is perfect. It fits. Note, it fits means the size is correct. It suits you means you look handsome or beautiful. So you say to yourself, I love it. I'll take it. Remember from the restaurant? I'll have. In the store, we say, I'll take it. Repeat, I'll take it.
Now, look at the price tag, the small paper on the clothes. Maybe it is very expensive. We need to check for a sale. A sale or a discount means a lower price. You can ask, is this on sale? Or if you are at a market, not a big mall, maybe you can ask for a lower price. But in big malls like in America or UK, usually the price is fixed. But you can always ask, is this the final price? Let's stick to the easy one. Is this on sale? Go. Okay, let's pay. You go to the cashier. This is the place where you give money. The cashier will say, cash or card. You give your credit card. Then they give you a piece of paper. This is very important. It is called the receipt. R-E-C-E-I-P-T. The P is silent. Say receipt. Why is it important? Because if you go home and you change your mind, you need the receipt to return the clothes. The cashier says, here is your receipt. You say, thank you. Phew! That was a busy shopping trip. Let's review what we have in our shopping bag. We learned how to say, I'm just looking. We learned sizes, small, medium, large. We learned, can I try this on? We learned, it is too tight and it fits. We learned receipt. Now you can buy clothes anywhere in the world. You will always look stylish. Here is your homework for this week. Open your closet, your wardrobe, pick 3 pieces of clothing. Look at the tag inside the neck. Is it S, M, or L? What material is it? Cotton? Polyester? Then stand in front of a mirror. Put on a shirt. Say out loud, this fits perfectly. Then put on something old or small. Say, this is too tight. Practice feeling the difference. Next episode. Okay, we look good, we ate good food, but where are we going? In the next episode, we are going to learn directions and transportation. How do you take a taxi? How do you ask, where is the train station? How do you understand, turn left and turn right? We are going to get lost, and then we are going to find our way. Thank you for shopping with me today. I'm Jessica, your English friend. Don't buy things you don't need, okay? Save your money. See you next time. Bye-bye.